Hello everyone, Morgan from Mirror Edge Networks. I'm here in Hout Bay, just outside Cape Town, and this is a quick video overview of a whole house Sonos installation that we've recently completed in conjunction with Werner from Spearhead Interiors for this beautiful house. We're now in the gallery of this house and we have a pair of Sonos Fives paired up as a stereo pair in this room. They're on a pair of Vogels Floor stands, and the music from the gallery filters through into the dining room and ultimately the kitchen of this house. This is the TV room in this house, and to enhance the audio for the television, we've installed a Sonos ARC Soundbar. This connects to the television via HDMI cable so that any audio that's being played back from the TV comes through the soundbar and gives a greatly improved audio experience. The Sonos ARC is also a digital streaming music source. You can have your Apple iTunes, your Spotify, internet radio services, etc. playing directly through the Sonos ARC soundbar. This gives you a really nice high quality music experience in this room. The TV unit was designed and built by Werner and his team and hides any power connections that are required for the television or the soundbar. And what we've done is, to keep the TV as flush as possible to the wall, is use a Vogels flush mount TV wall bracket, and we're using a Sonos ARC flush mount wall bracket to mount the soundbar, giving a very clean installation for this room. For outdoor audio, we're using a Sonos AMP with a pair of Sonance by Sonos outdoor speakers. These are waterproof outdoor speakers which work really well down at the coast, and they are positioned up on this covered patio section to provide nice audio for the outdoor seating area. The sound also filters down quite nicely to the pool, and what more could you want when you've got a view like this of Hout Bay? And that's a brief overview of the whole house Sonos installation that we've carried out here in this Hout Bay home. I hope that you've enjoyed the description of what we've installed and how we've installed it. And if you're looking for a solution like this, feel free to reach out and get in contact. If you enjoy watching videos like this of our installations, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're filming our projects frequently and we'd be happy to share them with you moving forwards.